Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the STI once again. So let me show you guys what we got planned for today. Alright, so if you guys look at the exhaust tip, one, it's kind of bent right here, so we're going to be trying to pull that out. And two, it's freaking super dirty. So we're going to be cleaning these exhaust tips, and I'll show you guys what we're going to do. This one's also a little bit wrinkled up, so I'm just going to try to fix that up today. Right here I have this like door skin repair kit kind of thing. I got it from Harbor Freight. It was like $27. So I'm going to be using this piece today. It's essentially just a block that has a rounded edge, and I'm going to be trying to put this in the exhaust and then just hitting it from this side and see if we can get the dents out. Well, they aren't perfect, but they're a lot better than what they were. Look at this one. A lot better. We're almost there. But now I'm just gonna, I got some Brillo pads. We're just gonna take that, dunk it in the water, and then see if we can clean these things up. So as you can see, just from rubbing your finger on it, it cleans up pretty nice. So just gonna take some Brillo pads, clean them up inside and out. And then I may drop the exhaust out and do like a burnt tip look on these. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. So this is pretty unexpected. As you guys know, I just bought the car, and he told me it had an NVIDIA exhaust, but like I said, they were all dirty. You couldn't really see them at all. And I literally just said that I might take it off and do a burnt tip. Well, pretty funny. So this one's not cleaned yet. As you can see, you can't see anything on there. Check this out. Oh my God. It already has a burnt tip, and I didn't even know. That looks lifetimes better. Now granted, it still has a few scuffs and scratches and scuffed up a little bit from the Brillo pad, so we might have to polish it up a little bit, but what the heck? We went from that to that. Oh my God. Alright, so obviously I'm going to do the same thing on that one, and that'll probably wrap it up because I don't have to burn them anymore because they already have a burnt tip. So stoked on that, and yeah, let's get this one done because obviously that one looks a whole lot better. Sheesh. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. We went from looking like a base freaking dirty freaking exhaust to a NVIDIA N1 titanium dual exit exhaust. So yeah, that's I had no clue. My neighbor came over the other day. He's like, yo, use some Brillo pads in your exhaust tips. It'll clean them up nice. I said, okay. So I went to Walmart, picked up some Brillo pads for under $5. $5 well spent right there, boys. Now, like I said, you can scuff it up a little bit with the Brillo pads. Just be, somewhat gentle with it. I'm just going to polish these up eventually, so we'll be good to go. But yeah, these came out sick. Super stoked with that. And we'll leave it how it is. So yeah, if you guys wanted to pick up either the Brillo pads or that kit I got from Harbor Freight, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. If your exhaust looked like mine to begin with, I'd recommend this because, I mean, it worked. So that's going to wrap up this short little video. If you enjoyed, drop a like, comment, subscribe, whatever. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.